Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang post ng isang retired PMA General na nananawagan na kay ex-Congressman Michael Romero, yung Reservist Brigadier General. Surrender if you have delicadeza. Surrender your rank and uniform and your awards. Ganito. Yan, basahin natin mamaya. Update lang muna tayo sa ating fund drive for the brave 14 plus 3 Marines. Nakaipon na po tayo ngayon ng 102,000 pesos. I-deposit na naman sa kanilang GCash anytime today. So yung unang na ipadala natin sa kanila is 630,000 pesos. Kaya tuloy lang po yung mga gustong magpadala, voluntary tulong lang. Ito po yung GCash number natin. 0966-265-8480. Ivan Henry Sibug ang pangalan. Ang Ivan is Echo Victor Alpha November. Sibug Sierra India Bravo Uniform Golf. Sa mga taga-abroad na gustong magpadala, ang city address ni Ivan Henry Sibug is Cagayan de Oro City. Ang kanyang street is Barangay Patag. So ito, post ng isang retired AFP General, June Manalastas. Scout Ranger, I don't know anong class. Warrior ito, at the same time, abogado. Sabi niya, to Mr. Romero, yan, yung Brigadier General na dinisplay niya ang kanyang uniform, ang dami niyang awards, katabi pa naman niya ang Chief of Staff. Mas marami pa siyang award kaysa sa combat, basta ang ating AP Chief of Staff talagang Scout Ranger yan, lumaban ng todo. Kapuri-puri ang kanyang serbisyo. Mas marami ang award nitong Reservist General kaysa battle-tested na AFP Chief of Staff. If you have delicadeza, please surrender the rank and the military uniform. The decorations and insignia displayed on your uniform raise serious questions regarding their authorization and proper use. With your public statement claiming that all your awards were properly issued by the concerned AFP authorities, it appears that you do not fully understand the gravity of what you are saying. The number and nature of the awards displayed on your uniform demand an explanation. Excuse me. If those awards were indeed officially issued to you, then the circumstances surrounding their issuance deserve a thorough and impartial investigation. How could a combat decoration have been awarded to someone who, based on the available information, had never been assigned to a combat or field environment? Ito po yung kanyang Gold Cross Medal at saka Military Merit Medal with Bronze Spearhead Device. Ang dami niyang combat awards eh. Talo pa niya ako. Talo pa niya ang AFP Chief of Staff. Grabe. If the awards were properly issued, then let the official records speak for themselves. Ipakita niya ang kanyang mga orders. Kasi bawat award, yung bawat nakalagay dyan, may orders yan galing sa Armed Forces of the Philippines. Before wearing that uniform, one must understand the responsibility, discipline, and honor that come with it. A military uniform is not a costume, and rank is not an ornament. Every badge, ribbon, and insignia must be earned and properly unauthorized. To wear them otherwise is to disrespect the institution and those who spent a lifetime serving it. And this brings me to the commander of the Philippine Air Force Reserve Command. If a reservist was allowed to appear publicly in an AFP uniform with questionable decorations, unauthorized insignia, and other apparent violations of established military protocols, then the command cannot simply wash its hands on the matter. The responsibility to brief, indoctrinate, supervise, and correct reservists rest with the organization responsible for them. Kung may delikadisa ka, you should likewise consider resigning for failing to perform that responsibility. Before any reservist is permitted to wear the military uniform in public, he should be properly oriented on uniform regulations, rank and insignia, awards and decorations, grooming standards, military customs and courtesies, military bearing, discipline, and the responsibilities attached to representing the armed forces. These are not optional matters. They are basic military indoctrination. This is not the first time questions have been raised about reservists wearing the uniform improperly. Public instances involving reservists, including the case of Manny Pacquiao wearing an army uniform while sporting long hair and a mustache, should have prompted the institution to take uniform discipline and reservist indoctrination more seriously. A reservist may be a civilian most of the time, but the moment he puts on the AFP uniform, he becomes a representative of the armed forces in the eyes of the public. He therefore assumes the corresponding responsibility to observe military standards. If the reserve command failed to provide basta medyo mahaba-haba ito. The uniform represents honor. The rank represents responsibility. The decorations represent service, achievement, and sacrifice. They are earned, not borrowed, displayed, or used for prestige. If you cannot uphold the honor that comes with them, you have no business wearing them. Hmm. Ang bigat. Salamat, Sir Jun, sa post mo na ito. At least, nailalabas natin yung ating pagkadismaya. Dito nga, sabi niya sa kanyang post is, Jun Manalastas is feeling annoyed. Ako rin, annoyed, dismayado, galit, dahil isang sampal sa mga men and women in uniform who serve in the field. Ang hirap makakuha ng award. Lalo na yung mga combat awards, tapos siya may gold cross, tapos siya mayroong bronze spearhead device. Kaya, I hope makarating ito kay ex-Congressman Michael Romero at pag-isipan niya kung talagang mahal niya ang military service, pag-isipan niya. Is he or are you still worthy to wear that uniform? Honorable, I don't know kung honorable pa ba ito, ex-Congressman Mike Romero. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa channel nito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talanding ng Bukidnon dahil ang income natin sa channel na ito is pantulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Ako diri sa panimalay ni Junel Idahon nga taga Sitio Mauswagon, sakop sa Barangay San Miguel, Talakag, Bukidnon. So mo na ni ang itsura sa iyang atop nga mga dagko na gyud og buslot. So mo ni siya ang natabangan sa yero. Tungod kay ang iyang atop dako na og buslot. So mo ni iyang pagapulihan karon. So gipambitayan lang gani og mga balde kay kung mag-ulan di alang sa loron. So mo ni ang gitabang ngayro nga napulo kabok nga digis nga ilang iatop karon. karon ato pa na gyud ang ilang balay sa gitabang nga yero. So napulihan na gyud tong ilang atop nga mga boslot na. So maayo na gyud nga lantawon.
Salamat yun kaayo sa Ginoo nga na ang among atop na pulian na gyud sa bag-o nga sin tungod sa nagtabang sa amoa ang mayor pa man gani wa pa nagtabang sa amoa nga mayor na gyud wa pa nagtabang sa amoa nga sa sin. Ang salamat na gyud kaayo sa tawo nga nagtabang sa amoa ning sin.
So bago pa gyud mo nakatilaw sa tabang.
Karong pa gyud mi.
So mo pa gyud ni nga nabot sa inyong kinabuhi nga natabangan mo para lang makabalay mo.
Mao pa gyud ni. Salamat na gyud kaayo sa
Salamat.
tawo nga nagtabang sa amoa.
Salamat pud kaayo.